Hey YouTube, today we're going to do an unboxing or opening up of sorts on this Craftsman 1,000-pound metal folding sawhorse. I got this as a replacement for the plastic ones I used to use. Plastic ones were okay, nice and light, but these here seem to be a little bit more stable. So let's go ahead and rip the box open and jump into it and see what it's made of. Let's get into it. Let's go ahead and unbox this. That's all there is to it. Just a piece of cardboard. Nothing else, no kinds of instructions or anything. There's some writing on here that is probably too small for me to read. Has a limited lifetime warranty. 1,000-pound max. That's all it says. Let's see. The legs just flip open. Apparently that's all there is to it. Let's put it on the ground and see what it looks like. Here it is on the ground. Not the most stable thing in the world. Still rocks back and forth. You have these little locking buttons here to fold the legs up. One of the things I don't like is how just slick this top is. So if you put a piece of material on here, there's a chance that it could slide off. These two little rubber things right here that would put a grip on something, like if you put a piece of plywood or something on it together with another one. I actually bought two of these, but we're gonna put some grip tape on here just to give this a little bit of grip, so that if you put some material on it, it won't slide off. I'm gonna use some of this anti-skid thread tape, add a little bit of friction to the top. It seems to be the same type of stuff like you might find on skateboards that skateboarders use, but let's go ahead and put some of this on there and see what happens. Just gonna wipe it down to make sure there's nothing on it so the tape sticks. Put maybe about this much. Just gonna put a little bit in the middle, right, just like that. Okay, so that feels like if it'll add a little bit of friction to anything we put on there, so it doesn't slide off. Just do the same thing with the second one. So here's two of them with the grip tape on them. Seem to stick pretty hard. We'll find out in days and weeks to come how it holds up. I'm gonna put a piece of plywood on there to make it like a makeshift table just to see how it feels. Alright, so the plywood's on there. It's not moving, it's not shaking. Seems relatively stable. Let's try it out and see how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please hit subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.